welcome back to the channel. This video is a little bit different to what we normally do. When we first had our Benivan, one thing I noticed is that we hadn't got a rear view mirror. With us going to France in the summer, I thought I needed to get as much visibility as I can. Went on to Google and onto YouTube to see if I could find videos on how to fit an interior rear view mirror to a vehicle with automatic lights and wipers, and I couldn't really find one. There were plenty without the automatic lights and wipers, but not that has this plastic cover. I messaged one or two people online, one or two stores, and never got a reply, or got a reply that they didn't know. I even got in touch with a Fiat dealer and asked them whether you could get an interior rear view mirror for our vehicle, and all they came back with, oh, there's not one fitted, so that wasn't much help. So what I've done, I've ordered one from Coastal Motorhomes. They seem to have a really good reputation on eBay, good feedback, and a good returns policy if this doesn't work. I've gone for the genuine Fiat part, basically because at least I know then I'm starting off with the right part and I won't have any other issues there. So yeah, genuine part, and let's see if we can get it fitted. And first of all, what we've got to do is try and find out how to get off this plastic cover. It looks as if there's a little plastic insert in here. I've tried to pop this out and it seems to be really tight, so I don't think that that pops out on its own. There's another cover at the top which I'm going to have a look at, but to access it I need to take down part of the top rail of the front blinds. So I'm going to take that down first, and then we'll have a look at what goes on after that. So there we go, that's taken the plastic cowl off. We can now have a look at how this comes apart. We can get a better view. Let's have a look here. Ah, there we go. He says. That's the plastic cover from the top part of the automatic lights and wipers. And there's the plastic cover. I think that's where the actual mirror will actually fit, in this part up here now. So we can actually have a look inside now. We can see the metal nut where the mirror should mount in. Okay, so now we've got the mirror, the new mirror. It has the clip-on base, I don't know whether you can actually see that, that's got to go over the nut. So let's see how we can get that fitted. Looks as if we're going to have to take off this other cover as well, which, oh, there we go, that just pulls off the same. Now let's see if we can get this located on here better. Oh, that's tight. There we go. Oh, that's brilliant. So it literally just twists into position. from 45 degrees, twist it round, and there we go. So that's it. What we need to do now is put back the cowls, and we've got our interior rear view mirror. That's brilliant. There we go. Fairly straightforward in the end. It's like anything, once you know, it's easy. What I have found is that obviously this is not a how to do it video. This is the way I did it. So there we go. If it's of help to anyone, that's great. So we'll see you next time on our Benivan adventures. Bye for now.